Good morning to you all, ladies and gentlemen. I am happy to be here with all of you in this cold morning and talking a bit about myself. This beautiful and fashionable and always bubbly young lady, who is well known by the name of Constance Ntuli from Mamelodi East, with the cutest smile never to be forgotten.
That's true.
It is always a great to be here with you and sharing the spotlight and to shine once in a while. So do not be shy, for you will also make me shy too, though I am very nervous as always. Please sit back and relax. Let me tell you about my life and how it changed when I was 10 years old. I had a lovely childhood as a toddler. I was one of the happy babies out there, and growing up was fun. It all happened on a normal school day. Rang, and as we walked home I was eating my chips along the way home. And so when I got home I started feeling sick. I told my mom because she was home on that day. I told her that my throat was very sore. And then she took me to the doctor. Then he gave us medicine for the sores to get healed. Then we went home. I woke up, my voice was gone and I couldn't walk, and my whole left side is not working. Within a day I had lost my voice and my left hand side could not work anymore. After a year of going in and out of hospitals, I have met a good speech therapist from Calafon Hospital. She opened doors for me and got me into a school, and she taught me how to walk and to do little things slowly. My first day to my dad took me to school. Gosh, it felt so good. Plus, I was daddy's little girl. I started the school late but managed to catch up, and having friendly teachers helped. And my dad was picking me up after school as well, so great bonding time me and my dad had. God bless his beautiful soul. As time goes, I got invited by the Center for IC, where I got introduced to the technology world. The fun world, I must say. Guess what makes me laugh now? Is that my high school speech therapist is now my colleague. Haha. I love it. We learn to use our AAC devices better. We become more empowered and start to dream for our life and make plans to reach our dream goals. These days there are software programmer and apps that can turn a device like this iPod into a speech device. So I type in the message and the synthetic voice says it. Every individual is being accessed first to see what type of device would suit him or her. I think that even beyond the project, we would like people to be aware that, in spite of severe disabilities, young people like myself have dreams and ambitions and can make them come true. So don't run away when you see someone using a computer or an alphabet board to communicate. Take the time to learn how alternative ways of communicating work. It can only enrich your life and help boost other person's self-esteem within themselves.